Okay guys, it's me Imath from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. In this tutorial we will learn about how to move a push button or any other thing on the GUI of VB.NET. So how we can do that? First of all, we have to create some project, okay? So here is our blank window. We need to go to file, click on new and then click on project. Here we will click on Windows Forms application and Visual Basic. You can write the name of the project here and click on OK. Now we got our working window. Now we need to take our toolbox. Okay, now we will write label here. Okay, label. Any other thing can work, but we are just taking our label. Okay, we can even move push button or any other thing, but here we are using this text. Okay, so for label we will write here in text property as texter. Okay, texter. Okay, and okay, we will write font style. Okay, font we will change it to 16. Okay, now this is our text, label text. Okay, now we will double click on this texter. Okay, and here we need to write label 1 dot location is equal to new point. Okay, these are the coordinates like 12 comma 50. Okay, now this is x-axis and the second one is y1. Okay, x and y. On x it is like 12 and on y it is on 50th point. Okay, just like graph. Okay, label 1 dot location is equal to new point 12 comma 50. Now we will add a delay which is threading dot thread dot sleep 500. Okay, that is 500. It is a delay for 500 milliseconds. Okay, that is half second. Now we will attach a lot of these things. Why it is so? We want to move it out, because we want to move it out. So it is 12 comma 50, 12 comma 60. Okay, 12 comma 70, 12 comma 80, 12 comma 90, 12 comma 100. Okay, and 12 comma 10 or 110. Okay, 110. Now whenever we will click it, all these terminals will get executed and it will change its point on after every delay of 0.5 second. Okay, now we will click it out. Now you can see that it is moving downward. Okay, it is moving downward whenever I used to click. So in this way we can move it out. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can move a label text in VB.NET Windows Forms. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.